Hi, welcome children. Today I am going to start about the Unit 8 of the Grade 10 Science. The Unit 8 of the Grade 10 Science is Characteristics of Organism. Characteristics of Organism. Right. In the characteristics of the organism, firstly we will go to learn about the common characteristics of living organism. The common characteristics of living organism. Right. What are the common characteristics of the organism? The common characteristics of the organism are cellular organization, nutrition, respiration, irritability and coordination, excretion, movement, reproduction, growth and development. Those are the common characteristics of living organism. These common characteristics of the living organism are most important to differentiate the living organism from non-living things, right? Among the characteristics of the organism, you already have learned about the 5 characteristics in the grade 6, right? In the grade 10 also you have to learn about those characteristics of the organism, right? First we will go to learn about the cellular organization. Right now today we are going to learn about the among the 8 characteristics of the organism. Today we are going to learn about the cellular organization, right? Let's go to learn about what is the cellular organization, right? Before learn about the cellular organization, we have to learn about the unicellular organism. Unicellular organism. What is the unicellular organism? Right. Unicellular organism mean the organisms which made up of single cells. The organisms which made up of single cell is known as unicellular organism. The unicellular organism mean the organism which made up of single cell is known as unicellular organism, right? Then we will go to learn about appearance of unicellular organism through the light microscope. Those are the some picture relevant to the unicellular organism. The first one, this picture represent the chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is also belongs to a unicellular organism because it contain only one cells, right? This picture represent the euglena. Euglena is also a types of unicellular organism because they also formed with a unicellular if not single cells. This picture represent the amoeba. Amoeba also belongs to a unicellular organism because they contain single cells. This picture represent the paramecium. Paramecium also belongs to a unicellular organism, right? Now we have learnt about what is meant by unicellular organism, right? Then we will go to learn about multicellular organism. What is the multicellular organism? The multicellular organism mean the organism which made up of 2 or more cells. If organism composed of a single cell is a unicellular organism, but some organisms are composed of 2 or more cells. Some organisms are composed of 2 or more cells. Such organisms are known as multicellular organism. Multicellular organism, right? However, the multicellular organism means the organism which made up of 2 or more cells are known as multicellular organism, right? Next point we have to learn is the bodies of the multicellular organism are composed of different types of cells. Multicellular organism means organism which made up of 2 or more cells, and also these cells are different. If not, the bodies of the multicellular organism are composed of different types of cells. The bodies of the multicellular organism are composed different types of the cells, and also those cells are important in different function. Multicellular organism means organism made up of 2 or more cells. These cells are different to each other, and also different types of cells perform different function in the multicellular organism. Now we have learned about unicellular organism, multicellular organism, right? Then we will go to learn about organization of different cells in plant body, right? Let's go to learn about organization of different cells in plant body, right? This is the plant body. This plant's body contain different parts, no? Flowers, leaves, stems, roots. Those are the different parts of the plants. These different parts contain different cells. Flowers contain one types of cells. Leaves contain another types of cells. Stems also contain another types of cells. Roots also contain another types of cells. The function of the cells contained in the flower is different from the cells contained in the leaves. The function of the cells contained in the leaves is different from the cells contained in the stem. The function of the cells contained in the stem is also different from the cells contained in the roots. So, multicellular organisms contain two or more cells. These two or more cells are different in each other. The function of the different cells are different. The function of the different cells are different, right? Then we will go to learn about organization of different cells in the human body, right? This is the structure of the human body. Those are the different parts of the human body. Here contain skin cells, brain contain nervous cells, bone cells, white blood cells, red blood cells, muscles, gamete cells. Those are the different types of cells contained in the human body. And also the function of the each type of the cells are different. The function of the skin cells is different from sex gametes, right? White blood cells, red blood cells, muscle cells, bone cells, nervous cells. The function of the each type of the cells are different. So in this picture also we can get a conclusion. Multicellular organism composed of two or more cells, right? Different parts of the multicellular organism consist of the different types of cells. The function of the different types of cells are the different, right? These are the organizational levels of the organism. Organizational level of the organism. The smallest if not unit of the organism is the cells. Different types of cells come first to form the tissues, right? Some group of tissue organized to make organs. Organ combine and make the system. System combine in the organism. This is the organizational levels of the organism, right? The smallest structural and functional unit at living condition is the cells. The smallest structural and functional unit at living condition is the cells. And also a group of cells modified to perform a specific function is called a tissue, right? The combination of the number of cells form the tissue, no, right? A collection of tissue form an organ. A collection of organs form a system, and also system collectively form an organism. This is the cellular organization of the organism. This is the cellular organization of the organism. Right now we have learnt about cellular organization of the organism, right? In my next video of this lesson I will discuss nutrition, right? Now I am going to stop this video and also